सिटीचे जे काम झालेले आता हालीच ते पाहू शकता कशा तरेन आम्ही असं साथीने सांगासर आणि हालीच स्मार्ट सिटीचं चेंबर बांधलेले चेंबर फुटलं चेंबराचे जे धापणे असतात ते फुटलेले असतात आणि हाँ कंसल्ट ये कब तक हो जाएगा
ट्राई करेंगे जल्दी करने का
हाँ
before 8 or 8:30 we will finish that.
What about this quality?
We will check that. We will check. We will go for testing.
This is not the first time. This is not the first time. Many of you have seen the broken middle.
This is the first time.
No, there was
The
one.
capacity of manhole chamber is 25 tons. You are saying no that are utility chamber. This is manhole chamber. Utility chamber capacity is 5 tons. This is 25 tons.
We have seen one more manhole chamber near Tadmar. Same thing has gone off.
That is the existing chamber. This is the new one. That you are saying no. That is the existing one.
Okay.
And we are not dealing with that.
Okay.
You can ask for
मॅनहोल चेंबर हा त्याचे धापणे फुटलेले आहात आणि सध्या ट्रॅफिक जाम झालेले आसा हांगा ट्रॅफिक पुलिसूय येयलेलो आसा आणि आता मॅनेज करता ही जी लायन तुम्ही पळयता ट्रॅफिक जाम झालेले आसा